I made a mistake. Why am I doing this? She has a cat on the door. Not that that comes as a surprise. Oh, God. I'm a bit worried. I hope I like cats a lot, or this could be a mistake. Oh, please, I'm scared. What's up? Oh, dear.
You made it? I'm just lock the door behind you. Oh, hi. Meow.
Is that a cat with sunglasses on as your bikini? Yes, I do want to drink. Yes, I love the cat pee. Oh, God.
What I'm about to show you might be a little scary. Drink up, ready?
I'm so ready. So ready, girl. This is just roofing me. Oh, God, no, it's bad. Don't, please stop.
When I was a baby in my mommy's tummy, I had a twin. We never separated though. Crazy, huh?
You're two people. Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
Well, it gets worse. See that face on top of my...
What? Oh no. I don't know if I want to see this. Oh, God. Oh, why do you have a face on the top of your head? It's bad. What have I done?
Her name is Emma. I hope you still like me, do you?
Oh, what the hell? This is a face on your head. I still love you. Oh, God, it hurts. It hurts to select. I still love you.
I'm so glad.
Oh, she can talk.
Just wait till you get to know me. I bet you know I can talk, hey?
No, I definitely didn't know you could talk. Nope, didn't know it.
Now just stay up there and be quiet while Captain Sparkles and I get it on. Ready? No, Captain Sparkles wants me, right? I'm ready for you.
What did I do? What did I do? What? And now it's just too. Hi, Garfield. I'd rather get it on with you personally than that. I've made a mistake. Oh no!